I'm just gonna, with water dripping slopes, it's supposed to get real cold. We didn't want anything to happen since the main pipe runs right next to the outdoor. I came in, noticed there's a bunch of water down there, already dried it up. I look down here and I notice there's a small drip. Right. I don't know if you can see it right back there. I'll circle it if you can't. A lot of times we'll have something seal inside there, it goes bad, and it'll start leaking out the bottom of your garbage disposal. I know there's probably a way to get to it. I've never really messed with it. We just turn and burn. But I looked at it and followed it around. If you look, it'll be easier to see without the light. There's the water right here, so it's nice and cruddy up there. So it's probably coming down from there. So we're gonna pull this garbage disposal, get it out. See if I'm maybe replacing that seal. Alright, well I got the P-trap out. Technically I'd usually put a bucket or something under here. I see a lot of people with like ice bins stick under here. I don't have any of those. I just unscrew these P-traps back here as well. I'm just gonna get a nut driver, remove this. These two bolts, there's one here and one on the back side. And I should be able to just drop this whole thing out and bring it out. And obviously unplug it from the button. Alright, well, got it down. Obviously you can see pretty crusty up there. Nasty, but it's all crusty. This boot should come off. They may be able to replace it, but I'm gonna see what they want to do. I may just want to put a brand new one in here. But alright, well, let's get the garbage disposal out. I removed the old one. It was on there. She's pretty beat up. And basically this just comes off the top. Because this piece will just pull off as well. As this one on, but pulls all the way up. It's like an old Home Depot. I don't really care which one, Home Depot, Lowe's. Home Depot's closer. But some of these, they're 4 and sink aerators, but most garbage disposals are the same size either way. So let's put this rubber piece back on. We're gonna stick it back in there. And I'll put it back out. Let's prove they're basically the same size. There's an actual spare sink drain I have. Let's miss the back one. And snap on, same size. So, the garbage disposal back in, all hooked up. I don't see any leaks right now, but I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Double check and verify there aren't any issues going on here.